Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video I am going to be going over what I got for my Ipsy regular glam bag for January. Now this is going to be an unedited review because I'm going to work, so I don't have much time to film this. So the card in the regular glam bag does not have any information about the products, so I will have to look that up on my phone later on, so I'm not going to be able to tell you anything about it. Other than what's actually in it. So it does come with this cute little bag, and then outside of it was this brush. This looks like maybe a highlighter brush or a small blush brush. I don't know. Contour. But anyways, so that is cute looking. Then we're going to open up this little bag. I'm just going to fish the products out and tell you what I got. So this first thing is a formula Thirst No More moisturizer. And this is 1 full ounce. Has a combination of watermelon, lentil, and apple extracts. Hyaluronic acid, white tea. Will give you a fresh and radiant glow. Okay. Ooh, okay, let's smell this. My doggy's in here. Hello, doggy. There's nothing in here. There's no food. Has a slight scent. I don't know, it doesn't seem terrible. That's a win. Hello, you want to get in the video? Come on. Here's my doggy. Here's Johnny. Hi, Johnny. You be in the video? Say hi. Hi, everyone. Hi. You're so cute. Mwah. Okay, there's no food in here. Keep that in mind. Okay, the next thing we have is a Dito Galaxy shade. Very cute packaging. And this is in Sharon. Neat. Look at the color. Very sparkly. Looks like it could be a highlight. Well, it says it's not for resale, so I don't know. But that's cute. Okay, the next thing we have is a matte as hell crayon lipstick in plum. And that's the color right there. Okay, and the last thing we have is a kombucha plus 11% AHA exfoliation power toner. Ooh. And that looks like it leaked. Okay, well that is crusty dusty. Ew. Yeah, that's really quite gross. It doesn't smell good either. Well, I'm probably not going to use that. I'll probably just toss that out. So, that's a cute bag. That's not bad for what we got. I got 2 makeup items, which I would use the lip crayon if, you know, didn't have to wear masks. With a nice brush, moisturizer, gross thing, and yeah, good to go. Can't complain. Aside from that one thing being kind of open, can't complain. So I believe Ipsy Glam Bag is $12, and it's a good worth. So I will see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.